To take it on the track and experience it, and I might do it soon. Just took delivery of this box from Royal Enfield. All the subscribers and the regular watchers, I'm doing a small giveaway. And I'm the photographer for him, videographer, photographer. Copy paste. Man, since I got this bike, I've ridden it for almost like 100-125 kilometers just randomly. Where I typically take my Aether, I'm taking this one. Want to take it on the track and experience it, and I might do it soon here locally in Hyderabad at the Shikan circuit. Not a big fan of the size and the quality of the tarmac, but you gotta make use of it, right? Till at least I transfer this to Chennai or Coimbatore. Haven't decided that yet. And we have only 2 sessions, so I'm in still 2 minds whether to shift this now or do it later in August when I'll have lot more sessions coming up, because it will just lie idle for 4 to 5 months. We're not in a hurry, we can always decide in the next few days. I still need to figure out how to go, when to go, and how much and how to plan the riding gear, because I would have a touring gear and a racing suit. How do I get it back? Let's say I ride it like I do the Ducati Scrambler to the track, but while coming back I might have to pack it differently, have an extra bag or something. So a lot more logistics involved, but we'll figure it out. By the way, in case you're new to this channel and you haven't seen the delivery video of this bike, go check it out. If you like it, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share. Small motivation to reach that 1,10,000 sounds silly to ask for 1,10,000, but every subscription matters, every view matters. So make sure you share the content if you like it and if you think someone else will like it. Anyway, before I forget, let's do the intro. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are and when watching this. Welcome to a new vlog. Today we have some interesting stuff. I'm trying to do 3 videos this week. So trying to do, not making content out of nothing, but we have content happening in life, right? Automobiles you see in the background, general lifestyle, track stuff, and also my friends, all are part of the theme of the channel. And one interesting theme of the channel that I haven't touched in a while are unboxings. DIYs will come on this bike soon. But for now, unboxings, it's been a while since we did an unboxing, right? Just took delivery of this box from Royal Enfield. It's not a sponsored post, I ordered one. In case you're curious what this box is, let's go inside, unbox it and show you, because it's been pending for delivery since a month. I've been waiting for it for a long time. Much needed change, and you need to stay tuned for that, because all the subscribers and the regular watchers, I'm doing a small giveaway. We'll talk more once we get inside. First, let's unbox this and we'll talk about that. Okay, time for the unbox. This is going to be ASMR, so I won't be talking or going through it. You would probably understand what it is once I open it. But trying something new, so there will be very little or no background music as such. I still have to decide while editing. This is a customized helmet that I ordered from Royal Enfield merchandise store. First impressions, I like the build quality. So that's a helmet I wanted to replace this AGV with. This is an open face helmet that I've been using for the last 6 years or 5 years. It held up pretty well. I like these kind of graphics on the helmets. Not too flashy, but some nice little graphics and some subtle colors, and this I've been using on the Aether. On the Scrambler, this didn't suit well. Ideally, I wanted to get the Shoei EX0 that's not in production in many countries except for maybe Europe. That looks killer. It also has a glass screen, but somehow getting that was expensive and costing almost 30-35,000, and also import duties, and not sure if you would get it in time and the condition. Best way was to pick it up when you travel to Europe or something. I searched in Italy, couldn't find it. Searched in Thailand, couldn't find it. Even if it says Royal Enfield, it doesn't matter because I was a owner of a Royal Enfield. My first bike was a Royal Enfield, so that first love will always be there for Royal Enfield. In fact, I would love to test drive their Super Meteor 650 because that looks an exciting bike for touring. Anyway, this is for the Ducati Scrambler. Let me try it on and see how the fit is. Smells nice leather inside. It's felt like material inside. Glasses are a must. I have high sight. I can't get lenses. Someone was mentioning in the comment section. For me, glasses are mandatory. LASIK is also ruled out. Something to do with cylindrical, spherical stuff. Okay, so we have that, not the D-ring, but the ratchet strap or something here. On a whole, the fit's kind of okay. Looks too big on the head, and I think this is moving too much. This is a size M, by the way. My head size is 54, so typically I go for, my shoe is a small, but my other helmets are medium. For touring, I try to go little on the comfy side, but they don't move. But this is moving quite a lot and looks big. This fits so well and doesn't look big, and this is a medium. So you see the difference? There's something I can take off easily also here. It's mentioning the size as 58 centimeters for M. Damn. And it's manufactured by Vega. Okay, interesting. Probably I should check and get a replacement because medium is usually 54. Their size chart is off the scale. 58 for medium. Anyway, that's the unboxing and first wear XP impressions of the Royal Enfield custom helmet that you can check it out on their site. There are multiple colors, multiple graphic options too. So make sure you get the size right, unlike me. On a whole, 7 out of 10 for the helmet. If the sizing was accurate, if let's say medium is really medium, then it would have been 9 out of 10 for the price that they're giving it for. Talking about the giveaway that I mentioned earlier, this is not a giveaway by any brand. This is not a giveaway of new stuff that I purchased recently or something. This is mostly my riding gear that I've been using for the last 6-7 years that I'm not using, they're just lying idle. So instead of throwing it away on the road, I thought some of you riders, upcoming riders, can make the best use of it instead of spending that money outside. I'll mention all the details on Instagram, so you need to follow me on Instagram, and also there are details of the giveaway will be on Instagram, the condition of the product, the type of the product that I'm giving away. But I'll give you a brief glimpse of it on YouTube so that you get an idea. 2 riding jackets, 1 pant, all with protectors, 2 gloves, not in a great condition. Knees protectors, 2 shoes. The TCX is something that I use quite a lot. That's in a decent condition. These are Royal Enfield boots. I used only once, but I was not happy with the condition of them, but they're hardly used. 2 helmets. They work, but they need a lot of cleaning and maintenance. I'll put individual photos of all these products online. These are basically free, but there is a process we apply, so I just can't give it to the first person who comments or the last person whom I like. There will be a process, so follow me on Instagram for all the giveaway details. Hopefully this stuff is useful for someone instead of just lying in cupboards. That's the plan. Chalo, it's almost 1:30, so time to have some lunch and catch up with a friend who is just nearby for some personal work. You'll see who it is. Stay tuned. I was mentioning he's in and around this area, right? Look what is he doing. And I'm the photographer for him, videographer, photographer today. Hope he pays. We'll charge him a lot later today. Party lenge. Me, Aditya.
Fantastic! Oh, that's great! Just a minute. I want that! Yeah!
Yeah, thank you. That's fast. Uh-huh.
That's a nice road.
Hey, smell బాగుంది. Smells good.
స్మెల్ బాగుంది.
హ్యాపీ విత్ ద షూట్.
ఎస్.
అరే ఆ బీరోలు అన్నిసార్లు తీసావింటారా? బండికి ఉన్నది 6 angles తెలుసా?
మళ్ళీ అడగకుండా ఆ ఓపిక అన్సాల్ చేయడం.
No, but that bike looks very inspired bike.
నేనేం అనకూడదు.
Obviously it's an effort that they made genuinely, so we have to compliment for them doing it. But for me, especially being a Ducati owner, I feel it feels very inspired. If it rides as well, then you can't complain. And pricing wise also it might work out well. For now, enjoying the RC390. Unfortunately, no vlog on the RC390 because I'm using this helmet, not the new one that you saw in the morning. This, this is 6-year-old helmet.
That's it. I use it for 1 year with my street friend. 1 year, few months.
ఎప్పుడు వాడావు?
తీసుకున్నా 1-2 months దగ్గర ఉంది.
అవునా?
ఫ్రెండ్ కొన్నప్పుడు ఎట్లుంటుంది చూద్దామని తీసుకున్నాం.
Oh, I got a different helmet with checkered flag stripes.
That ball.
Yes. Then it fell down. Got it changed. But this is holding up well. Good quality, man. Main thing with AGV is it's comfortable. All AGV helmets are super comfortable.
It's like you're inside a cushion.
Yeah. Chalo. Exploring Churolto's coffee for a change because it's been a while since we're here. But the place is kind of high end. Not our typical Nilofer bill today.
Nilofer.
Nilofer. Happy ma. The coffee here does taste premium, so you get what you pay for.
We are not rallying in coffee.
It is good.
Not coffee.
Pretty strong though. And we might have 2 more people joining us today. The typical group of Shiva and Chaitanya are kind of gayab. They've been busy, family people. But wait till the end of this month. All of us in the group, except maybe Chaitanya, are traveling. And he finished his travel, but he is doing one Tirupati trip.
No, he's not doing it.
He has to. Obligation. Anyway, we don't know full details, but except Aditya and maybe Chaitanya, rest all are traveling like crazy. I don't think we'll see each other till end of March. Maybe reach me once or twice a day.
Coffee, but yeah.
But yeah, majority were like traveling.
Traveling the most.
I'm traveling since June. Yeah, I don't know when that speaking ride started. Since then I've been
Rich people. The very rich people that travel like that. Italy,
sponsored,
Thailand.
sponsored, loan, all. Break your deposits. We'll do a dedicated video on how I got my RC 390. Basically, Crow gave me a personal loan. On road, it ended up being 14.5
But you people are more eligible. I'm not getting.
because you are karchifying on Aparna and all, no?
I'm certifying on we have a car, we have to buy.
Man, I was just doing the. Hey, you got a different glass. I got basic, huh?
He likes me more.
Anyway, I was just doing the math. 50,000 for 3 Series, 20,000 for Ducati, 25,000 for general expenses. My income is zero, is level now, zero.
That will motivate you to do more.
Yes. Please. Some appetizers to go with the coffee. No, usually I don't, and I'm sure you also don't recommend anyone to fully expense all your income.
Never.
But in our case, I think this was an exception. The BMW purchase was an.
10% of the income.
Yes.
10% even.
So BMWs were an exception, and it's been what?
Those are like dreams.
Dreams, and we've been waiting for what? Last 15-20 years? I was waiting for since 15-20 years.
7-8 years. Because I know 15 years back I couldn't get it.
Oh no, I know.
I didn't even have a dream.
For me though, since I remember when I was like 13-14, when I first saw a 3 Series on road, that was like, I need a BMW car. So that's been long there in the head. And I also rode one in US few times, my uncle's 7 Series. If you go check out my delivery video, you'll know the background story. So for some dreams you need to break. These purchases are therapeutic. They'll make you like,
You feel good.
you feel good sometime.
Sometimes.
But once the time comes,
Slowly that dies down. That is how
dies down.
materialistic.
But you need to utilize it. That's the thing.
Man,
both.
utilized to be matter.
I have plans. Once the 850 is sold, touch wood, whenever it is sold, we'll have some extra funds to again cut. Please don't do this. Don't follow us. Huh?